Hi friends, welcome to SLNS IAS Academy. In this video, let's see the current affairs topic of 3rd July 2024. Polio. It is a viral disease that destroys the nerve cells present in the spinal cord. It is a contagious disease affecting the nervous system and is caused by the polio virus. This virus belongs to the family Picornaviridae. The virus is transmitted by person to person through the following ways: through the fecal or oral routes and by contaminated water or food. Poliovirus has only one natural host, that is humans. Poliovirus can't survive in any other organisms other than humans naturally. 24th October is celebrated as World Polio Day, annually to raise awareness about poliovirus and the significance of polio vaccination to protect every children from the devastating disease. Digital sequence information. Digital sequencing is a biotechnology that can scan a variety of genetic information from an organism's genome, allowing for genetic material to be uploaded onto the digital database. Creating digital sequence information or data from the organism's genetic information. It is a term used in the context of certain international policy fora, particularly the Convention on Biological Diversity, to refer to data derived from genetic resources. DSA refers to the data from DNA or RNA that can be stored digitally. It is generally agreed to include nucleic acid sequence data and many other data types derived from or linked to the genetic resources. DSI is crucial to research in wide range of contexts, including public health, medicine, biodiversity, plants and animal breeding, and evolutionary research. This picture explains about how digital sequencing is carried out in organisms. State capacity. State capacity is the ability of government to effectively implement their policies and achieve their goals. The goals of government vary a lot, and some governments are much ambitious than others. Common measure of state capacity: tax revenue and employment in public sector. Tax revenue, also called as tax to the GDP ratio. The most common way to measure state capacity is by its ability to collect sufficient tax revenue. Example: developing countries like India are often urged to boost their tax to GDP ratio to build state capacity. Employment in public sector is number of officials or public officials per capita and judges and courts per capita. World Heritage Committee. Context: India to host UNESCO World Heritage Committee session in New Delhi from July 21st. The World Heritage Committee is a committee of the United Nations Education, Scientific and Cultural Organization that selects the site to be listed as UNESCO World Heritage Site, including the World Heritage List and the list of World Heritage in Danger. The committee is responsible for implementation of World Heritage Convention, defines the use of World Heritage Fund and allots the financial assistance upon the request of states parties. It has the final say on whether the property is to be inscribed on the World Heritage List or not. It examines the reports on the state of conservation of inscribed properties and asks the state parties to take action when the properties are not properly managed. It also decides on the inscriptions or deletion of the properties on the list of World Heritage in Danger. Structure: it consists of representatives of 21 of state parties to the convention elected by their General Assembly. A committee member's term of office is 6 years, but most of the state parties choose volunteer to be members of the committee for only 4 years in order to give other state parties an opportunity to be on the committee bureau of the World Heritage Committee. The bureau consists of 7 state parties elected annually by the committee, a chairperson, 5 vice chairpersons, and a reporter. The Bureau of Committee coordinates the work of committee and fixes the dates, hours, and orders of business of meeting. Generative AI. Generative AI is a cutting-edge technological advancement that utilizes machine learning and artificial intelligence to create new form of media such as text, audio, video, and animations. Generative AI is powered by foundation model that can multitask and perform out of the box, including summarization, questioning and answering, classification, and more. It works by using a machine learning model to learn the patterns and relations in the dataset of human created content. It then uses the learned pattern to generate new content. Thank you.